So, well, today we will discuss next topic, and that one is differential equations with variable coefficients. With variable coefficients. And these type of equations can be reducible to the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. And specifically in this type of problem, in these type of problems, we have two special differential equations which are known as Cauchy-Euler linear differential equation and Legendre's linear differential equation. And these type of equations can be reduced to the this linear differential equation with constant coefficients, so that we can evaluate the solution of the these type of problems. So, first one is Cauchy differential equation, or also known as Euler's differential equation, or other way we can write Cauchy-Euler's differential equation. So, an equation of the form x raised to power n d n y over dxn plus k 1 x power n minus 1 d n minus 1 y over dx n minus 1 plus and so on plus k n minus 1 x dy over dx plus k n y is equal to x. Okay. So, this differential equation is called Cauchy-Euler's differential equation, where these k i's, okay, k i's are constants, k i's are constants, and this x is a function of x only. This x is a function of x only. Clear? So, this type of equation is known as Cauchy-Euler's linear differential equation. अब देखिए इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या है. These are functions of x. These are functions of x. Okay. So, reduce this equation to the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. तो इस ढंग से कैसे हम इस प्रॉब्लम को जो है वो हम रिड्यूस करेंगे? Obviously by substituting a suitable substitution of these variables. So, such equations can be reduced to linear differential equations with constant coefficients by substituting x is equal to e raised to power t. This means t is equal to log x. So, by putting x is equal to e raised to power t, okay, this means t is equal to log x. So, by putting this here, then this equation can be converted into the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Let us see how this can happen. Calculate dy over dx. dy over dx is dy over dt and dt over dx. So, dt cancel, you will get dy over dx. Okay. But dt over dx is 1 over x. Clear? dt over dx, calculate t is log x. So, dt over dx is 1 over x. So, 1 over x. Okay. X को इधर ले गए तो बनेगा x dy over dx is equal to x dx x dy over dx is equal to dy. And what is dy? dy is dy over dt. Okay. So, d over dt, d is d over dt. So, this means x dy over dx is equal to dy. Clear? तो अगर इस टाइप की टर्म आएगी x dy over dx, then substitute here dy. तो जब dy होगा तो यहाँ कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं है, कांस्टेंट वेरिएबल होगा 1 2 3. ओके. इस टाइप का होगा k n minus 1 टाइप. क्लियर? सिमिलरली calculate d square y over dx square. So, d square y over dx square is d over dx 1 over x dy over dt. Just substitute the value of this dy over dx. So, dy over dx is dy over dt and 1 over x. So, substitute this value here, substitute this value here. Okay. So, dy over dx is equal to this 1 over x dy over dt. Now, just simplify, you will get two terms, okay, and then finally you will get this, and after that this x square here. So, x square d square y over d x square is equal to d square y minus dy, means d into d minus 1 y. So, x square is d minus 1 y. Clear? x dy over dx is dy. तो जैसे x square आया तो ये d minus 1 हो गया, फिर x cube आएगा तो d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 y. इस टाइप से रिजल्ट्स जो है वो अपडेट होते जाएंगे. So, substituting these values in this differential equations having variable coefficients, okay, then you will get a linear differential equation with constant coefficients, which can be solved by methods already we have discussed. Okay. So, let us use this process, okay, use these substitutions, solve this differential equation, where we have x square, here x, variable coefficients. Okay, so when we substitute x is equal to e raised power t, okay, t means log x, okay, then this equation definitely converted into the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Let us see. So this one is a Cauchy-Euler's linear equation. Okay, so substitute x is equal to e raised power t, so that t is equal to log x. Okay, so that dt over dx is equal to 1 over x. Now calculate dy over dx. dy over dx is dy over dt 1 over x. So this result x dy over dx is dy. Similarly, calculate this one in every problem. x square d square y over dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 y. इसकी डिटेल में जो है हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में दिखाई है, ठीक है। तो आपने बस अब ये याद रखना है कि x dy over dx जो है वो dy होगा, x square d square y over dx square जो है वो d into d minus 1 y होगा। एग्जाम में आपको ये रिजल्ट भी प्रूव करना है, ये कैसे आ रहा है, इस एक्सप्रेशन को भी आपने वहाँ पे डिड्यूस करना है। Now substitute these values in the given differential equation. Okay, so you will get d into d minus 1 minus d plus 1 y is equal to t. So log x is t. So log x is t. So after simplification, you will get d minus 1 whole square y is equal to t. And this is nothing but linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay, now solve this differential equation as usual. Okay, first calculate the complementary function and then particular integral. So first step is to find the complementary function. So auxiliary equation is m minus 1 square is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 and 1, real and equal roots. Then complementary function is c1t plus c2 e raised to power t. That one is the complementary function. Now then calculate, second step is to find the particular integral. Okay, to find the particular integral, step number 2. So when you calculate the particular integral, that one is 1 over d minus 1 square and t. Okay, particular integral कैसे calculate करते हो? Particular integral होगा 1 over f t x. Okay, तो उसी ढंग से आपने, और x क्या है? X is e raised to power t and t is log x. Okay, so calculate this. Particular integral is 1 over d minus 1 square t and 1 minus d power minus 2 t, and that one is this into t, and after calculating these derivatives you will get t plus 2. So that one is the particular integral. Now to find the complete solution, okay, complementary function plus particular integral. This one is the complementary function. So c1t plus c2 e raised power t, complementary function plus t plus 2, this t plus 2. Clear? Now finally substitute this t. T is log x. Okay, capital X is log x, so t is log x. Okay, so substitute here t log x, so you will get this one. This one is the required solution of the given problem. Clear? तो आप इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम को देख सकते हो कि ये किस टाइप से बनी हुई है, ठीक है। अकॉर्डिंगली आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए, ठीक है। और इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम में, इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम जितने भी होंगी उसमें यही सब्स्टिट्यूशन जो हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया वही अप्लाई होगी। इसमें क्लैरिटी इक्वेशन की तरह ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी डिफरेंट सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगेंगी, ठीक है। यहाँ एक मेथड है, एक यूलर्स कॉची यूलर्स एक इक्वेशन है, और उस टाइप की जो भी इक्वेशन होगी उसमें वही सब्स्टिट्यूशन आपको अप्लाई करनी है। तो इसमें कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है, ठीक है। कोई भी इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम आ जाए आपको इसी तरह से सॉल्व करनी है। फॉर एग्जांपल x square d square y over dx square plus 4x dy over dx plus 2y is equal to e raised power x. This one is a Cauchy-Euler's linear equation. Okay, so these type of equations, put x is equal to e raised power t, same. Okay, and so t is equal to log x and dt, so that dt over dx is equal to 1 over x. Then calculate this x dy over dx, and finally x dy over dx, that one is dy, and x square d square y over dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 y. Clear? Where d is d over dt. Now substitute these values in the given differential equation. Okay, so we obtain this one is a differential equation, linear differential equation having constant coefficients, and this equation can be solved. Okay, this equation can be solved. So to find the complementary function, right? To find the complementary function. So auxiliary equation of this differential equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to -1 and -2. Okay. So when m is equal to -1 and -2, so this one is the complementary function. C1 x inverse plus C2 x inverse. ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? e raised power minus t and e raised power minus 2t. e raised power minus t and e raised power minus 2t and e raised power minus t. Calculate here. e raised power minus t is 1 over x. Okay, so 1 over x means x inverse. Similarly, that one is x power minus 2. Clear? Now find the particular integral. Particular integral is 1 over d square plus 3d plus 2 e raised power t. Clear? e raised power t. अब आप देख लीजिए e raised power t कैसे आ रहा है? e raised power x दिया हुआ है और x है e raised power t. So that one is e raised power t. ये यहाँ से आ रहा है, ठीक है? So this one, okay? तो इसके आप फैक्टर बनाइए d plus 1 and d plus 2 and this one is 1 over d plus 1 minus 1 over d plus 2 and e raised power t. So first solve this and this, okay? 1 over d plus 1 e raised power t, okay? And that can be written like this way. e raised power minus t, e raised power t. इनको कैंसिल करके 1 ही आएगा और e raised power t as it is. क्लियर? और उसके बाद ये कंपोनेंट आप बाहर ले गए और बाहर जब आप लेके जा रहे हो, यूज दैट मेथड which we have already discussed. So e raised power minus t 1 over replace d by d minus 1. Okay, d minus 1 plus 1 as it is, e raised power t, e raised power t as it is. And this one cancel, so we get 1 over d, and that one is integral. This 1 over d is this integral. Okay, and solve this component and you will get x raised power minus 1 e raised power x. Now similarly, this into this, calculate 1 over d plus 2 e raised power t. Clear? तो यहाँ पर इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया e raised power minus 2 and e raised power 2t. Clear? और इस minus 2t को बाहर ले आए तो आपका ये रिजल्ट आया. And this 1 over d is this integral. This 2 and 2 cancel. So finally, in this case, you will get x power minus 2 into x e raised power x minus e raised power x. Okay. Now, then particular integral is this plus this, this plus this. We get this result. Okay. तो आप देखिए कुछ टर्म्स इसमें कैंसिल भी हो रही हैं, ठीक है? Accordingly, this term and this term cancel. So we get this minus and minus plus and x raised power minus 2 and e raised power x. So particular integral is x power minus 2 and e raised power x. Then find the complete solution. Complementary function is this and particular integral is this. So complementary function plus particular integral, that one is the required solution. So in this way you can find the solution of Cauchy-Euler's linear differential type of equations. Okay. So let us discuss second Legendre's linear differential equations. Now see, this one is the statement of this Cauchy's linear type of equations, right? And Legendre linear equation is any equation of the form ax plus b power n dny over dxn plus k1 ax plus b power n minus 1 dn minus 1y over dxn minus 1 and so on kny is equal to x. इसमें और इसमें फर्क ये है, जो ये टर्म है पहले ये टर्म थी x raised power n. In some books this equation is also known as Cauchy's homogeneous linear equations. Okay. अब मुझे नहीं मालूम कि ये homogeneous क्यों लिखा जा रहा है, ठीक है? जनरली homogeneous इक्वेशंस की हम बात करते हैं या तो राइट साइड जीरो देखते हैं या होमोजीनियस फंक्शंस को डिफाइन करके हर टर्म्स की जो पावर है वो सेम होनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे होमोजीनियस किसी भी ऑथर ने अगर लिखा है, शायद इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखा गया है कि इसका जो डेरिवेटिव है वही एक्स की सेम पावर है, इसका जो डेरिवेटिव है वही सेम पावर है, इसका जो डेरिवेटिव है वही सेम पावर है. शायद इस करके इसने होमोजीनियस वर्ड यूज़ किया होगा, बट एक्चुअल नेम इज दिस Cauchy-Euler's linear differential equation. ठीक है? तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना इसमें, ठीक है? कुछ बुक्स में अलग अलग रिप्रेजेंटेशंस हो सकती है, बट इक्वेशन हमारे पास ये है. आपको देखनी है ये इक्वेशन क्या है और उस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कैसे करना है. ओके, हमारी ये अप्रोच होनी चाहिए. सो इन दिस प्रॉब्लम, ओके, एन इक्वेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म दिस where ki's are constants and x is a function of x is called Legendre's linear equation. Okay, so let us solve. How can we evaluate this problem by substituting a suitable function? Okay, and this equation can be reduced to a linear differential equation with constant coefficients, and that can be reduced by suitable substitution, and that one is ax plus b is equal to e raised power t. पहले क्या करते थे हम, x is equal to e raised power t, but in place of x power n, we have ax plus b power n. Okay, so when in previous slides we use x is equal to e raised power t, but here we use ax plus b is equal to e raised power t, then t is log ax plus b. Then calculate dy over dx. Okay, so when you calculate dy over dx, we get dy over dt over dx, and that can be written as a over ax plus b dy over dt. This dy over dt as it is. Okay, and dt over dx is calculate from here, from this. T is log ax plus b. Then ax plus b dy over dx is a dy. पहले क्या था, x dy over dx, that one is dy. अब है x के बदले में ax plus b. ओके, b का कोई रोल नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है, a आपको यहां पे लिखना है, a dy. Similarly, calculate this, then you will get this one. ax plus b square d square y over dx square is equal to a square d into d minus 1 y. Okay, and when you substitute all these values here, you will get a differential equation which is linear with constant coefficients. Okay, similarly, ax plus b cube d cube y over dx cube is a cube d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 y, and so on. And finally, substitute these values in this equation, we get a linear differential equation with constant coefficients, which can be solved by methods already discussed. तो Cauchy's Euler linear differential equation में और इसमें कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, ठीक है, बस एक इतना सा है, x पावर n जहाँ लिखा गया था वहाँ ax प्लस b पावर n लिखा गया है, और अकॉर्डिंगली पहले x की हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं e रेज्ड पावर t, अब यहाँ करेंगे ax प्लस b इज इक्वल टू e रेज्ड पावर t, इतना सा फर्क है. सो सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. अब ये प्रॉब्लम लेजेंडरी लीनियर इक्वेशन है, आप यहाँ से आइडिया लगा सकते हो, 1 प्लस एक्स की फॉर्म में है, ये सिंपल एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं है, 1 प्लस एक्स पावर 2. क्लियर? सो दिस वन you can compare this equation with Legendre's linear equation. Okay, what is a is 1, that part is important. What is a? क्योंकि a ही जो है वो आपका उस रिजल्ट में आ रहा है, b का कोई रोल नहीं रहेगा. Okay, so a is 1. So given equation is a Legendre linear equation, so put 1 plus x is equal to e raised power t, so that t is equal to log 1 plus x. Clear? Then 1 plus x dy over dx is dy. A dy, a is 1. A dy, so a is 1, where d is equivalent to d over dt. Clear? So in this way you can calculate this expression. Similarly, 1 plus x square d square y over dx square is d into d minus 1 into y. Here a is 1. Clear? A square आता, but a is 1. Substitute both these values in the given differential equation. Okay, so this one is the, after substituting these values, this one is the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. With constant coefficients. Now you can solve this problem. Okay, so find the complementary functions, write the auxiliary equations, and the value of m is plus minus eta. So complementary function is c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. Clear? And particular integral is 2 times this 2 x is sin t, 1 over fd, fd is d square plus 1. So particular integral is 2 times 1 over d square plus 1 sin t. अब इसको उसी मेथड से सॉल्व करके देखिएगा, आपका रिजल्ट बनेगा माइनस टी कॉस टी. सो फाइंड द कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन. थर्ड स्टेप इज ओके, so y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, and substitute the value of t, and t is log 1 plus x. Okay, t is log 1 plus x. So in this way you can solve these type of problems. Okay, so t is log 1 plus x, c1 cos log 1 plus x plus c2 sin log 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus x, and then minus t, t is minus log 1 plus x, cos t cos log 1 plus x, like this. So replace finally the value of t. So this one is the required solution. Now last problem is solve 3x plus 2 square d square y over dx square plus 3x plus 2 dy over dx minus 36y is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, very simple problem. Put ax plus b is equal to t. A is 3 and b is 2. Okay, तो आप यहाँ पर 3x plus 2 is equal to e raised to power t substitute कर सकते हो. Okay, and we know all these formulas. You just substitute a is 3 and b is 2. Okay, a is 3 and b is 2. So update these expressions. Okay, then 3x plus 2 dy over dx is 3 dy. 3x plus 2 square d square y over dx is 3 square d into d minus 1 y. Now substitute all these values here. So when you substitute these values here, okay, we obtain this expression. Okay, substitute the value of x. X की value क्या आएगी? X की this ax plus b is equal to e raised to power t. Okay, t is log ax plus b. Okay, यहाँ से आप x की value को निकाल सकते हो. Clear? X, the value of x is e raised to power t minus b divided by a. Okay, so a is 3. So e raised to power t minus 2 divided by 3. तो ये वहीं से result आ रहा है. So substitute the value of x. Okay. Now simplify. Okay. So finally we obtain 9d square minus 36y is equal to e raised to power 2t by 3 minus 1 over 3, and that one is the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay. After substituting all these things, you can obtain this linear differential equation with constant coefficients. And this part can be evaluated as usual. So first step is to find the complementary function. Okay. So here auxiliary equations is 9m square minus 36 is equal to 0. So the value of m is plus minus 2. Clear? So m is plus minus 2. So complementary function is c1 e raised to power 2t plus c2 e raised to power minus 2t. And substitute the value of t. Okay. So t is log 3x plus 2. Just substitute these values. We get the complementary function. And then what is the particular integral? Particular integral is 1 over this 9d square minus 36. Okay, 9 common, d square minus 4, and x is e raised to power 2t over 3 minus 1 over 3. Okay, and solve these two components, this one separately, this one separately. Okay, और आप इकट्ठा करना चाहो तो इकट्ठा भी आप solve कर सकते हो. ठीक है, and after evaluating you will get this one is the particular integral, and this step number 3 is to find the this complete solution, and that one is complementary function plus particular integral. Okay, so we obtain complementary function is this, particular integral is this, then y is equal to cf plus pi. This means this cf and pi, and that one is the solution of the given differential equation. Clear? अब देखिए इसी एक्सप्रेशन को आपने इस तरह से लिखा हुआ है. नो इशू, e raised to power 2 log 3x plus 2. So e raised to power log 3x plus 2 square. So it means 3x plus 2 square. Okay. Similarly, this component write like this way. Okay. And the remaining terms as it is. So this one is the solution of the given differential equation. Clear? तो ये linear differential equation का हमारा फोर्थ लेक्चर था. ठीक है, तो इसकी और कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स थोड़ी सी आप सॉल्व करके देखिएगा. ठीक है, तो ये कंसेप्ट बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगा. राइट. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल डिस्कस दिस समल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशंस विद कांस्टेंट कोएफिशिएंट्स. उस टाइप की जो समल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस होंगी उनको आपने कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.